Hi everybody. Today you're going to start Lesson 2, Motivation and Time Management, which are key in being successful in an online class. So first you're going to go to the Get Started page. After that you want to download your note-taking graphic organizer. You also had this in Lesson 1, however it might not have been mentioned in the video. You want to download one of these files, and you can either print it out in order to take notes manually, and then you take a photo and upload it at the end. Or you can open it up electronically, either in Microsoft Word, another type of software, or Google Drive will convert it as well to a Google Doc. And you can do it electronically and then upload it there. After that, you are going to go to the collaborative learning. There are 3 discussions in this lesson. And the first one is, how much time does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? 1, 2, 3. Well, we're not talking about Tootsie Pops here. We are talking about how much time do you think it takes to complete your coursework in an online environment. Some students overestimate and some underestimate a lot. It's up to the individual, obviously. However, there is a general time frame, so give that some thought and participate in a discussion. The next discussion talks about time management. You want to make sure to watch this video on procrastination. Then your prompt is below, and make sure that you respond and you read the instructions to see how many people you need to respond to. Rarely do you need to respond to everyone. However, there will be instructions on how many you should respond to and who you need to respond to. The next one is success. How do you define it, and how do you get it? Everyone has different ideas on this, but it's interesting to see how sometimes those ideas overlap, and sometimes how someone else can open your mind to something else. So again, make sure that you post your initial response and then respond to your peers. After your collaborative learning, or at any time, you can go into your independent activities. This includes vocabulary review from the unit, specifically for this particular lesson, which comes here in your Quizlet. You just start playing. The other thing that you have is an assignment. This assignment is a narrated presentation. Creating narrated presentations, very similar to what you are looking at right now, is somewhat easy, but can be very difficult depending upon the task at hand. You're going to do a little trial for this narrated presentation because you will be doing more throughout the course. So you're going to practice. There's a lot of instructions here. Make sure that you read them. There is a little video for you to look at. In regards to using photos and graphics, remember, we want to stay away from plagiarizing. We want to stay away from copyright infringement. It's very important that you are cognizant of that as you move through designing some presentations. I have given you some areas where you can get royalty-free photos, graphics. I still recommend that you always cite where you got things. Again, this tells you how to go about moving into the narrated presentation. Some of you have programs that you're familiar with and you enjoy using. Go ahead and use those. Some of you are novice at this and may need to try something out or ask for assistance. Make sure to see your instructor if you don't understand what to do or if you're having difficulties completing the task. At the end of the assignment, there is a recap so you know exactly what you need to do. You need to upload your script and you need to upload your finished video. And again, there is a rubric. Finally, as you move through, there's a journal reflection. Again, you will have a journal reflection for every single lesson and in the units. And then there is also a short quiz. Okay, so that should take care of lesson 2, and good luck.